Welcome guys, today we have a nice algebraic equations. So its solution, p power 200, p plus 200 power 3 plus p is equal to 22. So for simplifications, let p plus 200 is equal to x. So p will be is equal to x minus 200. So putting these values in this equations, p plus 200 is equal to x cube plus value of p is equal to x minus 200 is equal to 22. So x cube plus x minus 200, this 22 will go here, minus 22 is equal to 0. So x cube plus x minus 222 is equal to 0. X cube plus x, we divide this into minus 216 minus 6 is equal to 0. So x cube minus 216 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x cube, it will become 6 cube plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So here is the formula: a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Here is the formula. We will use this formula here. So x minus 6 x square plus 6x plus 36 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So here is the two terms common, x minus 6, here x square plus 6x plus 36, this will be plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 6, x square plus 6x plus 37 is equal to 0. Here there are two cases. Case 1, x minus 6 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 6. This is the value of 6. Recall p plus 200 is equal to x. Putting the value of x, p plus 200 is equal to 6. So P is equal to 6 minus 200. So P is equal to minus 194. This is the one value of P, P1. There are three values of P, so it's one value of P, its real value. So, second case, case 2, x square plus 6x plus 37 is equal to 0. So here use the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root over 2a. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 37. So x is equal to minus b, that is minus 6 plus minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 37 square root over 2 into 1. So minus 6 plus minus 36 minus 7 4 are 28, 148 square root over 2. This will be minus 6 plus minus, that is minus 112 over 2. So minus 6 plus minus 16 into 7 into minus 1, we distribute it over 2. It will be minus 6 plus minus this 16 becomes 4, 7 square root, this minus become iota over 2. So when we divide by 2 is equal to minus 3 plus minus 2, 7 square root iota. This is the value of x1, x2. x1 is minus 3 plus 2, 7 square root iota, and x2 is equal to minus 3 minus 2, 7 square root iota. These are the two values. So again recall. P is equal to P plus 200 is equal to x. Putting the value of first x1, P plus 200 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 7 square root iota. So P1 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 7 square root iota minus 200. So it will be minus 203 plus 27 square root iota. This is the P1, and P2 is equal to x2 minus 200. So P2 is equal to x, putting the value of x2 minus 3 minus 27 square root iota minus 200. So P2 is equal to minus 203 minus 27 square root iota. This is the value of P2, and that was the value of P1, minus 203 plus 27 square root iota. These are the imaginary values. Real value was minus 194. Thanks so much. Keep watching this channel, Math and Math.